My name is Subham Sekhar Dash. I am from Odisha and I am 2025 pass out. My college name is Kalam Institute of Technology and I came here. I joined at Pyspider in February 2025 and I got 8 requirements from here. And Rafiq sir is my Python trainer, Sagar sir is my Django trainer, Karishma ma'am is my SQL trainer, and Reshma ma'am is my B.Tech trainer. And I got 8 requirements, and the reason of rejection is my poor communication. So I worked on that, and the mocks and the presentation that happens in every week, that helps a lot for improving my communication skills and my technical skills as well as. And after my rejection also, HRs are also added me in the requirements. I am very thankful for that, and my trainers are tell me what are my weak points and what I have to improve for getting the job in this industry. So I got the job.